Good morning, everyone. The seedlings, let's check them out. That is something unusual. I think that's like a mushroom. That's not intentional. That's just from the soil. But these are watermelon seedlings. I'm gonna plant out some watermelons again. And all the flowers. Good morning. I say good morning to the plants. There's the sky. White lines, white lines. This is we have nature, and then we have some weird, yes, that's the world we live in. And the sugar cane is growing. Soon the sugar cane will be very tall. I'm trying to photograph that this year so that can be seen how the sugar cane grows. These are the crepe myrtles, and they're flowering, the pink flowers. Oh, I love these little flowers. There's the crepe myrtles. These are a wall of loquat trees that my husband planted here that are turning into a fence. Oh, here's a young grapefruit tree. This is a young grapefruit tree. grapefruit, pink grapefruit. Okay, and this is a wall of loquats all the way down like a fence. Okay, we've done that actually all around the perimeter of the property. See how that works? Like a fence. You see the roots? That gives privacy from the side, the property at the other side. And a lot of shelter for the animals and a lot of food for them too. See that? A wall of loquats. Yeah, there's lots of interesting things here. This is a morning walk. A morning walk that I get to share with you. And here, let's see how the persimmons on this tree are growing. Oh, there we go. They're looking good.